Okay, this question, remember that we need to set it out, so you should write down all the information I've got here in red. So we told the forward direction is endothermic, that means it's going to make things feel cooler. And the backward reaction, therefore, is exothermic, which means the surroundings hotter. This side, I've got 1 mole, and this side, I have got 2 moles. So under these conditions, this side will be lower pressure and this side will be higher pressure because there are more moles. So I would break this into 3 parts now. I'm going to talk about temperature first. So temperature, we want to look for the optimum conditions. So if I increase the temperature, then according to Le Chatelier's principle, it says the reaction will try and lower the temperature. In order to do that, the equilibrium is going to move to the right because this side is cooler because it's endothermic. So the equilibrium moves to the right, it's endothermic, and that's going to lead to an increase in the amount of C3H6. If we look at temperature in terms of attainment, then increasing temperature is a good thing to do because it increases the rate of reaction, so the rate of attainment of the equilibrium, because there are going to be particles are going to be moving more, they've got more energy, therefore there's more chance of collisions, and also more particles will have energy greater than the activation energy, so therefore they are more likely to react. Issue with high temperature is it can lead to more expense because you need more energy to generate that temperature. Next one, let's look at pressure. So we're going to try and lower the pressure. Le Chatelier says the reaction will try and increase the pressure. If I just go back up a second, to increase the pressure, the reaction is going to move to the right because this is the higher pressure. There's more moles. So that means the equilibrium moves to the right, there are more moles, and therefore again we get an increase in the product that we want, which is a good thing. Issue with this is lower pressure, the rate of attainment would decrease because there'd be fewer collisions, so that's not ideal. To help overall, we would add a catalyst, and the catalyst increases the attainment of equilibrium because it speeds up the rate of the forward and backward reactions equally, and the position of the equilibrium is not affected.